Good morning. When planning a renovation for a rental, what are your thoughts on making it slightly nicer than the competition to attract a stronger pool of tenants? Absolutely. Absolutely. This is something that you should do, riding on the riding on the coattails of my comments about always seeking to provide value, to the economy. I think this is one way that you could easily do it. And when you are, doing a renovation, what you're gonna notice is it takes a very small amount of money and it takes just a little bit more work to churn out a significantly nicer product than what's on the market. I would say while it may be a money thing a little bit, bringing above average product to the market is more of a character thing than it is a financial thing. The landlords that I know that are okay with really subpar turns and just getting someone in there, they pay for it. It costs them more in the long run because of their legal fees, because the amount of times they don't collect rent, the amount of deferred maintenance that their properties accumulate, the amount of money that they aren't able to sell their properties for whenever they get tired, right? There's always way below market because the residents have really beat up the property, subpar. There's a lot of deferred maintenance present. So it's truly impossible, in my opinion, to win in the long term by bringing a subpar product to the market and by running a subpar business. You might get ahead in cash flow, but any sort of cash flow that you bring out by saving money in that way is strangling your business and hindering you from future profits along down the road. Yeah, absolutely. Go a little bit further than the last guy. Go a little bit further than the next guy. But what you're gonna quickly find once you start paying attention and looking around at what's available in the market is there's a lot of people out there acting like they're running businesses and they are barely trying. And they are either barely trying or being negligent, So it's easy to try hard and it's very easy to pay attention and not be negligent, which is exactly what you should do.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.